What's up, people? In this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you an AI tool you can use to generate your videos for free. And the funny part about this is that you'll be looking for several AI tools to use, not knowing that you actually have an AI tool with you already. And this AI tool is 100% free as of now. You can see the video displaying on the screen right now. I actually generated that particular video using this particular AI tool. Let me just quickly show you a preview of what we are going to be creating in this video.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? I am so grateful you stopped by to watch my videos. It truly means the world to me that you are here. Have you heard of Blessed Kitchen before, or you are just pretending you haven't heard of it? Because it is quite a popular spot around this neighborhood. Well, if you want a professional chef to cater for your stomach needs, we are just one call away. Call 0704-796-796. Thank you.
So if you're ready to exploit this AI tool with me, just stick around as I am going to walk you through step by step how to use this particular AI tool. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly just log in, go to my YouTube. I'll go to my YouTube app, then I'm going to click on this plus icon here. I'm going to click on this plus icon as if I want to make a post. So once I click on the plus icon, the next thing I'm going to do is you are going to see at the top right hand side, you will see something like a plus icon, like something like a star. What you're going to, but if you are not on short, you have to, from this downside, you have to ensure you're not on video, you are not on live. You can see you are not on video, you are not on live, rather are you on this thing post. So you are not going to be on either of these three. You have to be on short. So now you're going to now click on that, right, the icon that looks like star at your right hand side. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you up to an interface like this. This particular AI is coming directly from YouTube themselves. So now it helps you, so you can use it to create your videos directly from the YouTube directly here and post it. So now I'm going to, now you can see you can do create. Once you click on create video, so now you can prompt the video what you want it to prompt it and tell it to what you want it to be. You can make yourself to move. If you click on it, you can just try each and every one of these. You see how it looks like now. But for this particular video, our focus is going to be on photo to video. Now I'm going to now click on this. Remember, you might have already gotten your script down. Now I'm going, after that I'm going to now bring in the picture and get it generated. So now I'm going to now go click on photo to video. Now from here, I'm going to just scroll down and select the particular picture I want to use. Okay, now let's say this is the picture I want to use. I want to make use of any of this picture here. So I'm going to just pick, let me say I'm selecting this particular picture. So now from here, I'm going to now tell the AI what I want it to do. So I'll just click on this side and here and now bring in. I already have the copy. So let me say, okay, once you've entered that, the next thing you're going to do is just to click on send. Once you click on send, you give it a while, it's going to load up and generate your video for you.
Hello guys, how are you?
All right, you can see it has finished generating the video. So if you enjoy the video from, okay, see from what it did, I actually enjoyed this particular video it generated. So what you're going to now do is just click on this icon, the three dots at the top here, and just click on save to device. So once you click on save to device, it's going to save the is going to save the video to your device. So now we're done with creating the first one. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to go ahead to create the remaining part of it. So I'm going to go back now and click on the create video. Now it's on create video. Now I'm going to go back. I want to bring in, start all over again, photo to video. Now I'm going to now bring in the photo. So I brought in the same photo. I'm going to now add in the prompt I want it to say. Let's just see what it will generate for me. So you can see it has generated the second video for me. So if you are okay with it, you can just click on top here, then just save it to your device. Then once you're done with this and you still want to generate more, just follow the same procedure and generate as much video as you can. All right, you can see it has generated the last video for me. So what I'm going to just do, I'm going to still just save the video, and you can, from here you can now proceed to any video editor of your choice and now edit the video to how you want it. You can now come join them together. In this video, I'm not really here to show you how to edit video. I just wanted to show you the AI tool to use to generate videos for free, and absolutely this is 100% free. So if you are looking for what to be using to generate your video, I think this is another best tool you can actually use. And as you can see, if you take notes very well, you will understand that this is actually a VL3 model you are using to generate your video. So you can see the video has high quality. And also, let me quickly just, while generating the video, you encounter anything like probably the app is misbehaving or not really responding, what you can just close the app and restart the process again, and that's from where you stop. You can restart and continue the process again from where you stop, and it's going to definitely generate. In some cases, it might, after completing 100%, it will just keep on loading without producing the result. What you just need to just click on retry, and it's going to retry it again and produce a video for you. I think that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.